In this video, we'll go over how to determine the number of moles of a compound that you find in sample matter. In this case, we have 250 grams of water. So the first thing we need to do is figure out the molar mass of water. So we know that water is H2O. So we have 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. And if you look on the periodic table, and we can determine the mass of the hydrogen first, that the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.0080. There's 2 of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the 1.0080 times 2, and we get 2.016. All right, so hydrogen, if you look at the total of it, there's 2 of them, is 2.06. I'm going to write that down here. So 2.016. We have 1 oxygen, and so if we look at the atomic mass for oxygen, it's 15.999. So our total for oxygen is 15.999. And I'm going to add those together. When I add those together, over here, you have 18.015. So 18.015. Now, sometimes we use moles and atomic mass units interchangeably. So if you talk about the mass of the molecule itself, so H2O, we measure that in atomic mass units, and that would equal 18.015 atomic mass units. But I also can talk about the molar mass of water. So H2O, so 1 mole of water is going to be 18.015 grams. So anytime you have the atomic mass units, and it's a formula, the mass of the formula, that in moles is equal to the atomic mass units. In other words, the atomic mass is added together in grams. All right. So now that we know how many grams per mole there is of water, we can determine how many moles there are in the 250 gram sample that we're asking about. So all we do is we divide the 250 grams of water by the 18.015 grams per mole for the each mole of water, and we do that, we get 13.88 moles of water in 250 grams. All right, thank you for watching this video.